Hey guys, it is finally roadkill weekend. It is Friday and we are about to go tech. So I wanted to clean this girl up a little bit because she is a mess and I have a couple of stickers that I want to put on for the weekend. So I'm very nervous. Are you nervous?
Oh, I'm not being this
I guess Brian can make an appearance here and there. Are you nervous, Brian?
Nope.
Okay. Well, Brian's not nervous
Someone's
at all.
got to be confident for the two of us.
That's true. Show him my new air filter. I love how you just sat it next to the car. Can't see it.
Oh God, there's a kid. Edit that. Give me that back.
You wrecked it already.
No, I didn't.
Okay, try again.
All right. Joe, check your air filter.
Okay. So we got a new air filter because my air filter was disgusting. So we are going to get ready for roadkill, head down there. The plan is my dad has a track rental at Lapeer Dragway from 5 to 10 o'clock tonight. Time is going to definitely be cutting close. I don't know if we're going to make it, and if we do make it, I think I may not race. I might just kind of do a video on his Hellcat because I've been wanting to kind of show that a little bit more. So, send love. I am definitely nervous, and I'm only nervous because the road does curve really weird. So, as far as the no prep, I am very comfortable with the car, or at least I'm starting to be very comfortable with it. So, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up and show you the fun. So, as if the car wasn't fast enough, I have to throw stickers on it for horsepower. So I've had these 1321s for a long time and I have not put them on the car. But last night, I don't know if you guys know Mitch, I will put his link on here. He made me, you know the deal, from Streetcar Takeover one. So we're gonna put these on there. I also have, we didn't bring them outside, did we?
What?
The headlight ones.
I didn't bring them out.
Okay, so we have ones to black out the orange little markers on the side. So I'm gonna be doing all this, getting the car ready, calming my nerves, and getting ready to go. So these look, it looks kind of goofy like this. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna cover the orange marker right about here. So instead of blacking out the whole headlight, because I don't love the look of them, especially with how dark my windows are, this is gonna give us some little bit of kind of look. So Brian did the other side because he is just better at this and has a lot more patience than I do. So we're gonna try. It's pretty forgiving from the tutorial we watched. So, spray this too.
You can, yeah. Just leave it as it. You could have just left it on your arm like that.
And spray it?
Yeah, spray the backside. Whose dog is not happy?
Did it end up doing this?
Mine on the other side overlapped to the front a little bit, and then when I heated it, it tucked over.
Like that?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, it looks good.
I'm gonna let you heat it because I don't have the best track record with blowtorches.
Okay.
Okay. Here, trade. Normally when you use vinyl, you would use a heat gun, but our heat gun is not home and we are rushing this. I like them. It looks like it has eyeliner on. No. The little D won't come with me. Here we go. So we're waiting to tuck in my car. Hey! And then we just got to ride in Mitch's car, but it was just around the corner. But we are having a good old time. Let me see if I can show you thrill rides. I have yet to do something like that, so I kind of want to, but I don't want to wait in a line that long. So we're gonna walk around the premise and kind of see what's going on with Roadkill.
You knew before you knew.
You knew it before you knew. What do you think of it? So I don't know if you can see Mitch behind me, but we're finally tucked in and now we are off to go to the drag strip. If you checked out the last video, you saw at the very end I said, "Don't worry, Coyote, I'm coming after you." This is my dad's fast car. This is his 2011. He has had it since it was brand new. This is the car I have the real rivalry against. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have some more content coming for you, so get ready to be overloaded with a bunch of videos. Please like, subscribe, share. If you like it, it tells me that you guys enjoy these kind of videos, and I appreciate your comments. You guys have been unbelievably supportive, more than I ever expected. So the next video is going to be roadkill, and then we're going to start some videos of the dream cruise. So I'm going to explain all that to you coming up next.